What's up, YouTube? Just gonna do a quick review on some spray paint I used on the inside of my truck and a couple panels. It's a color shift paint. It's the paint that changes colors. It's my 95 Nissan hard body. And here's the color shift. It goes from purple to green. So it came out pretty good for what it is. I hit this with a couple coats of clear afterwards. So in the instructions it says to lay a black base coat down. Make sure you do that because the black makes the color pop more. Because I had it sprayed on top of primer, silver primer or gray primer, and it did not look good at all. Like fish scales, like the light colored cloudy mix. So anyway, the black base coat, it actually comes out pretty good. It dries really fast. Just wanted to do something different for the inside of my truck. So you can see the purple and the green. The spray can costs $10 at Walmart per can. And I've used probably one full can on these 1, 2, 3, 4 panels. It's inside here too. So yeah, came out pretty good. Pretty happy with it. Looks good in the sun. Later.